for 2036 Olympic to be held in India. That will be the landmark event in the history of sports.
आजकल की जो यंग जनरेशन है काफ़ी मोबाइल, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक इसमें सोशल मीडिया में अटकी पड़ी है, तो उससे थोड़ा बाहर निकले, मोबाइल से आंखें हटाकर अपने आजू बाजू देखें क्या हो रहा है और हमें क्या करना चाहिए.
You expect people to kind to you, but you know first you need to be kind to yourself. If you're kind to yourself, you'll be able to be compassionate, loving and kind to others. That is what Heartfulness is trying to train you to have a balanced, peaceful, happy and joyful life.
The Ekatma Abhiyan or Oneness camping saw more than 7,000 youth from Mumbai and Navi participating in group meditation. They learn the art of meditations and learn how to overcome their personal and professional problems. They also learned how to concentrate on their education and excel in their lives. During 2 days events, they interacted with a number of persons who excel in their lives with the help of meditation despite having so much problem in personal and professional life. The event was organized by Ram Krishna Mission in collaboration with Heartfulness Institute with the support of Ministry of Sports and Culture and Fit India movement. At a time when we hardly get time for ourselves, meditation can be a life-changing instrument for all of us. If we practice it daily on a routine basis, this meditation can be helpful and help us to overcome a number of problems.
Today's program is under the umbrella of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Ministry of Culture and Fit India movement. So these kind of initiatives we are taking so that our youth should take the leadership in future and make India a developed nation. These are some of the initiatives wherein we are focusing upon the holistic development of our youth. How they can maintain their health, how they can maintain a healthy mindset by doing the meditation, heartfulness, all these activities are focused upon in these programs, so that our young leaders should come forward and show our vision and mission to get our India on an international platform and perform well in the sports. As we all know, we are pleading for 2036 Olympic to be held in India. That will be the landmark event in the history of sports. Considering that kind of a challenge, we really want our youth to come forward, take the sports as a good discipline, maintain properly and perform well at the international level. We are providing them a very good academies like National Center of Excellence, like TOP scheme, like Khelo India scheme. All Government of India initiatives we are taking so that our youth can be inspired and take opportunities in sports very well.
आज की पीढ़ी के लिए ऐसे कार्यक्रमों का बहुत ज़रूरी है, मतलब बहुत ज़रूरी है ऐसे कार्यक्रम और बहुत मायने रखते हैं आज की सभी पीढ़ी के लिए. और जैसे मैंने अभी कहा था कि आजकल की जो यंग जनरेशन है काफ़ी मोबाइल, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक इसमें सोशल मीडिया में अटकी पड़ी है, तो उससे थोड़ा बाहर निकले, मोबाइल से आंखें हटाकर अपने आजू बाजू देखें क्या हो रहा है और हमें क्या करना चाहिए. तो सिर्फ आपका जन्म आपके लिए, आपके करियर के लिए नहीं, इस समाज के लिए भी है. तो अपने मन को, अपने विचारों को साफ रखो, दिल में सिर्फ प्यार रखो और आदर, रिस्पेक्ट रखो, सब अच्छा होगा. अच्छा सोचो, अच्छा करो, अच्छा ही होगा.
Here you saw it was a 2-day program where we trained youth in heartfulness meditation. If you have seen, it's a very rare scene where you see 7,000 students sitting in silence for 20 minutes. Imagine there is 10 people in the hall. Will you find silence? But today, 7,000 youth were meditating for 20 minutes with complete silence. That is what heartfulness is all about, to train youth how to be peaceful, how to be kind to yourself. You expect people to kind to you, but do you know first you need to be kind to yourself. If you're kind to yourself, you'll be able to be compassionate, loving and kind to others. That is what Heartfulness is trying to train you to have a balanced, peaceful, happy and joyful life by adopting the technique of meditation, which is heartfulness.